I'm a vascular surgeon and a phlebotomist from Warsaw, Poland, and I'm the lead of the Venous Pathway of ESVS Academy, and I'm responsible for the preparation of the content, scientific content of the Venous Pathway, including Venous workshops during annual meeting.
Okay, and so what can we expect from the Venous Pathway this year?
We will gladly present you a new one, which is titled Current Procedural Treatment of Chronic Venous Disease. It will be an interactive case discussion workshop during which excellent tutors will present cases from their daily practice. Participants will be able to discuss the path of diagnosis and tailored treatment upon the supervision of the experienced specialists who are not only experts with huge scientific knowledge but also practitioners. So the workshop looks especially interesting as we plan to create a brainstorming discussion about the rationale of possible usage of mechanical thrombectomy for superficial vein thrombosis. So it's a very nice topic, I think.
It's a really interesting subject.
Yes, it is something which is untouched and uncommon. It's just some new issue, and we will see what is the idea of our experts, and also participants will be able to discuss just face to face with very informal fashion.
And can you tell us something about the other workshops that will be organized during the annual meeting?
A couple of them will deal with the venous system, so a workshop about pelvic venous disorders, and another two workshops about superficial veins, about thermal ablation of superficial incompetent veins, and also a workshop about some issues about an aesthetic phlebology, minimally invasive treatment by glue or sclerotherapy.
So to summarize, all the aspects of the venous disorders will come by during the annual meeting. Will it also be hands-on?
Except the first one I mentioned, all of them will be hands-on workshops. So during the workshop, the participants will be able to train, to have the equipment on their hands. The hands-on is ready for you.
So it's enough time to practice then.
Yes, yeah. That's right.
Lastly, can you tell us what's your favorite part of the annual meeting?
Favorite part of annual meeting are obviously workshops because this is the time when we can meet and discuss really face to face with the attendee. This is also the opportunity to exchange thoughts, which is crucial. Listen to the questions which can create also for the tutors a new development for all of us, a new development. It is very much interesting, so I love this content. All the venous workshops are ready to launch during the annual meeting, so I cordially, on behalf of ESVS Academy, invite you to join us. It will be a lot of scientific informations and a great fun.